Vintage day again today, and today's a pink day, as you can see. This is one of the iconic Hoover Constellations from the late 1950s or the early 1960s, we believe. One of the things that these machines are best known for is that when they expel the air, they expel it down below, which allows the machine to float like a hovercraft. So the Hoover Constellation, or the Connie, as lots of people call them, very, very well-known machine. Unfortunately, this one has got a non-genuine floor head on it. So if you happen to have a floor head for an old Connie, get in touch. So we're going to give it a try and a floor test, and we're going to get the Stebo Duo powder out. So, vintage floor test, here we go. As you can see, it's not got all of it up, but I think we've got to forgive it that because it's got a non-genuine floor head on it, so maybe it's not as objective a test as it otherwise might be. But these really are a very great and historical machine, and you'll find most collectors will give the right arm to get a nice one of these. And again, like I said, if you've got one of those floor heads, do get in touch. Thanks for watching.